Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hi, welcome to Battle of the Stitches sneak peek. This is going to be a quick video. I'm still, as you can see, I'm still not mobile, so I'm doing this in bed. So I'm going to try to make it quick. To see the sneak peeks of all of the other participants this month, I have them listed in my description. So please check them out. And if you want to know more about Battle of the Stitches, Teresa from Critters Crochet and I came up with this, and go and check out her video today of her sneak peek because she does a really good job of explaining it. And like I said, I'm still recovering, so it's just easier for me if I don't have to go through all of that right now. I'm going to give you the sneak peek, and then I'll say until next time. Also check out the Facebook page. So here's my sneak peek. See if you can guess what that is. And thanks for watching this really quick video. I hope you have a great day. Bye.